How to use ElevenLabs AI audiobooks. So once you're logged into ElevenLabs, you will want to click on audiobook right here. And you can either upload your own text document or just create it from scratch, which we're going to do in this example. So after clicking on create from scratch, now we can start creating our own audiobook. So we're just going to type some gibberish. Hi, my name is Rachel. And then if we want to put another speaker, press enter and then do another one. So hi, my name is Mark. And then for this segment, we can change the voice to Mark. So now it's going to be generating our own audiobook. One voice is going to be Rachel, the other one is going to be Mark, and you can assign different voices to your project.